Hello there, Mara man. If your body works, but your mind freezes when it's time to have sex, this video is for you. We're going to explain how penis pump help with performance anxiety and how you can use it to break down the pressure and to overcome the performance anxiety. So what is performance anxiety? Performance anxiety is when it usually affects younger men from 45 and under, because younger men usually don't have medical condition that predispose them to have ED. So older men have it because conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes and obesity tend to cause ED, but younger men usually don't have that because they're more resilient. So that's number one. And then number two is that you may have performance anxiety when you have good erection in the morning, and then you can get an erection with masturbation, but then you have unreliable erection when you're with a partner, or that when you're losing erection right before penetration, as soon as you start thinking about it, whether you're going to be able to perform or not. And then it becomes a spiral worry from one bad experience to more anxiety to then more erection problem. But what you need to know is that you need to break this pattern right away, because you need to learn how to take the pressure off of the erection itself and retrain your brain and your body to feel safe and confident again. And it can be done. Now, I have done a video before on how to use the penis pump as well, so we won't talk about the mechanic, but we will kind of review about the benefits of the penis pump, because the penis pump creates a negative pressure in a cylinder where you can get an erection within a minute or so. And what that does is it brings an increasing blood flow to the penis, and it brings oxygen to the penis to keep the penis muscle healthy. It expands the muscle to make it more flexible, to make it more adaptable to get an erection. And then number two, it also expands the muscle to prevent fibrosis, which means scar tissue development in the penis muscle. Because if you don't have an erection, that muscle will get scar tissue, which then prevent further erection in the future. And it's also rehabilitate and prime the penis as well. So if you're planning to have sex that night, it's a good idea to use the penis pump the day, because it primes the penis and it gets the penis feeling like an erection. So it gives you that confidence. So that way you feel that, okay, this is what the erection look like, and I don't have to worry about it as well. And I call it prehab the penis before it actually gets the erection. So by doing that, it will remove the pressure to perform on demand, so that way you don't have to worry whether you can get it at this time, but will you be able to perform this time. It becomes like predictable, right? Because you already know you can get an erection in the penis pump, and that this may be psychological, and that it will kind of calm the brain from worry to more relaxation as well too. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. So you can use the penis pump safely. It's a lot more safe than using Viagra, and it primes the penis for blood flow later on. And you can integrate the penis pump as well with the sex. You can have your partner help you with the penis pump. Your partner can lubricate the pump. The partner can hold the cylinder to the base, to the penis, to the pubic area, and she can even help with pump pressure as well. The goal is to associate sexual stimulation with success and control instead of fear and failure. And then when you're doing the penis pump, think about doing non-penetrative activities such as kissing, touching, oral sex, and just being together, enjoying one another. And remember, when you're doing this, you're also stimulating your penis and you're also relaxing your mind at the same time, which then will help with the performance anxiety. And the penis pump will give you that confidence that you can get that erection. So you can use the penis pump right before sexual activity, and then you can put the constriction ring, which is the penis ring, on the base of the cylinder. And after you get the full erection, you can just pull the constriction ring down to the base of the cylinder and keep the erection, and then remove the penis pump. I'm not currently in my home residence, so I don't have the penis pump with me, but I've done many videos to show you how that is done. But what I want to tie into is that you can use the penis pump to prime the penis for sexual activity for the day. And you can do this by using the penis pump every day, and it keeps it healthy, it keeps it primed, and it's ready to go. I also discuss about certain conditions you shouldn't use penis pump, such as a bleeding disorder or clotting disorder, or if you have any history of priapism. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So the end point is that it not only help you with ED, the penis pump can also help you with getting more confident, also help you with performance anxiety, and you can get your partner involved in the activity that will then help you think about more of the moment and enjoying one another rather than whether you're able to get an erection that time. And it does work. We've seen patients use it, and the best way is to use it every day, and particularly use it when you know you can have sexual activity that night. So let me know, what do you think about this, whether you're going to try this or not, or do you have a penis pump or not as well too. And if you find this helpful, make sure that you subscribe and get notification and like this channel and share it with somebody that you care about and that you find this information useful. Check to see how we can help you overcome ED. But remember, you do not have to live with this, and you have option. It's non-surgical, non-medication. So check the link below, and I will see you in the next episode, Modern Man. Okay, Modern Man, you are not alone, and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.